up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we are talking about HART, everybody's favorite HART. Yes, this is sponsored. Yes, this helps keep the channel going. But yes, this is cool stuff. Everybody, when we first posted about this early on, some guy came on and commented, and he was very upset that we didn't have anything negative to say. You know, obviously the typical, you're sponsored, you know? This is up here all the time. We're sponsored, okay? That's what keeps the channel going. But that's the way it goes, you guys. They want to get this stuff in your face, right? They want you to see their tools. We get approached every day by tons of people. Well, maybe not every day, but like every week we probably get 10 to 15 companies that just want us to promote them. And most of them are no-name, you know, Amazon sellers or stuff like that. And it's like, no, we're not going to promote junk, right?
Nope.
But HART has a price point, right? Yes, it's not going to compare to Milwaukee. Yes, it's not going to compare to Hilti, DeWalt. It's not that type of tool.
And it's okay because that's not what they're going after. So
right.
You got to understand from that aspect.
Right, and I think that there's a surprise in this lineup, though. Because I just noticed something when we, like, what does that remind you of?
Milwaukee?
A Milwaukee case, right? I mean, this reminds me exactly of a Milwaukee case. Yeah, the Milwaukee case, a little bit different with red, but I mean, just the way it opens, the way it holds the bits, and I was like, man, that's a nice case. So they're taking this technology from those other guys and kind of incorporating it into the DIY. What's so great about buying it at Walmart?
Walmart's everywhere.
Walmart's everywhere, and most of the time it's 24 hours. So, you know, if you're on a weird schedule, you work nights and, you know, wait, would it be? No. Yeah, you work nights.
Yeah, you work nights or days, whatever.
No.
If they're open 24 hours a day, you can go in and get a tool whenever you want to.
Yeah.
If you need something, you go and you get it.
I was trying to figure that out in my head. I'm like, you're right, and I'm trying to think, wait, what time are you sleeping? If you work nights, you're out during the day. So
no, you're sleeping during the day if you work nights.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So, I mean, that's the nice thing about it is Walmart. And one of the nice things about Walmart is the price point on a lot of things. And that's huge because we're all within a budget. We all have a budget that we got to, you know, abide by.
Especially in this trying time.
Yeah. And if you're one of those people that like, hey, I do something every quarter at my house or twice a year or once a year, why are you going to go buy one of those professional tools, spend all that money to let that sit on your shelf when you can say, okay, hey, listen, this is going to get the job done and I'm not spending, you know, my kid's college fund.
Yeah, because if you spend your kid's college fund on tools, it's not a good thing.
No, because then they're going to be living at your house. Then, well, we're not even going to go on that whole thing.
But basically, you guys, this is not, what we're saying is this is not just some cheap brand out of nowhere, left field, you know, new to the market.
No.
This is from TTI. This is a company that's been in the industry for years.
Yeah, the same company that makes tools for Milwaukee.
Yes.
You know?
Owns Milwaukee.
Yes.
I mean, you know, that's a premium brand. When you think Milwaukee in your head, you're like, wow, Milwaukee's a nice tool, you know? And they do. They make good tools, you know? So their company that owns them also makes this other stuff. Granted, you're not going to get the features of the Milwaukee. You're not going to get certain quality things like metal chucks and probably different gearings and a little different technology in the Milwaukee that protects it from, you know, the job site environment. But still, that's because you're paying that extra for that Milwaukee, right?
Yes.
So when you pay that extra, it's like, hey, you know, do you really need it if you're a homeowner? If I'm going to use a rotary tool, you know, once or twice a year, do I really need to go buy the one from Milwaukee for $100? I mean, don't quote me on the prices. Or do I want to go spend $40 or $30 on the, you know,
yeah, exactly,
more inexpensive version? So that's where this comes into play. But what we're also seeing right now is just very cool new things like this stud sensor. Right?
Yes.
We've seen it before with the Franklin stud sensor, but now we got it in the HART format, right? Powered by what?
2 AAA batteries.
Yep. And what else does it do, Eric?
Detects electricity. And like Dan is showing you right there, see as he moves the finger, very easy to visually see where that stud is. If there's 2 studs back there with a little gap, it will actually show that. Or...
I'm trying. It's hard.
Yeah.
There we go.
Or if it's got electric back there, it's going to show you that, and you'll have 2 little power things light up over there.
Which is pretty cool and easy for the homeowner, you know?
Yes.
Mom can do it. Grandpa can do it. You know? He just goes up. Oh, wow, that's crazy. It detects this whole screen as... Wow, look how far back it detects it. Without even touching it. Wow, so that's a really good detector there. That's cool.
That's cool.
Wait, but I know we got a cable coming up here. It detected the cable in the wall, Eric.
Wow, so it's going through the wood, and we put it behind the drywall, right, or no?
The cable?
Yeah.
No, I think we just cut the drywall and left it out and then put the cable.
Put it in there? Okay.
Look at that, you guys. It's detecting through this wood. It's detecting the cable through this wood.
That's cool.
That's pretty insane.
That's impressive.
So, you know, it's overpowered, let's say. I mean, not overpowered, but it's going to get that deep scan. 9 sensors on the front of it. I think it's awesome. So not bad for $26, you guys, for a stud finder. And I know I had like a drawer full of stud finders at one point because you get them, they suck, they don't work. You're like, okay, there's a stud here. You drill, and there's no stud. That's like the worst. So this thing
Happened
to me is
the other
pretty
day.
accurate. Really?
Yep. So you know those shelves that I made that Nick finished.
Yeah.
And all that? So I went to go hang them on the wall. So I just did a house remodel project. Brand new wall. Boom, it told me to stud. And you know how you go left to right, you go right to left, you do all that stuff just to make sure. 3 times it showed me, drilled there, nothing.
Yeah, this thing will give you a good idea of where the center is, too. Because, like, okay, so, like, if those 3 are lined up, I know if I'm on that middle one.
Yeah, mark
and obviously there's only 2. You just go between the center.
Yeah.
You should technically be okay. Let's talk about the 58-piece impact rated bit set.
This is actually cool. It's a 68 impact driver bit set. What I like about this, besides it only being $20 in the case, you got everything in there. You got socket adapters, you got nut drivers, and all sorts of different bits. That's what I like. So basically this one kit provides you a lot of different things. Because a lot of times you'll see, oh, it's got 50 pieces in there, but it's got 20 number 2 Phillips screws, you know, or Phillips heads in there, you know.
Oh, wow. I like that. I'm telling you guys, it's kind of like the Milwaukee case, except for it doesn't hold it as tight. Like I just testing when I pull it out.
Yeah.
Because the Milwaukee case is tight.
They're hard to get out.
Yeah, sometimes
you just got to take the flat head and pop them out.
Yeah, this one looks like it just snap it in. So that's cool. And I just love the way it's laid out. And how much is this, you said?
$20.
$20. So yeah. Last but not least, you guys, they just have a couple cool things. Like you have your 20-volt power source. Obviously, none of these are power, or this is a power tool actually. But if you do have that extra battery, you can put this power source on. It'll take care of your battery. That's also the way to see the battery status gauges, because you are at such a low price point that you are missing features such as battery fuel status gauges.
Yes.
And last but not least, I don't know if we talked about this before, you guys, but check out this little Dremel Tool Set system. Like, it's got 2 holes on the back, so you can hang it on your shop wall. And then when you hang it on your shop wall, you put your 20-volt battery on the top. You can control your speed. And look, it has a place for all your little accessories. I love that because it's rubber, right? Mm-hmm. And it even has a place on the back for more accessories. So if you're someone that's working, you know, you do jewelry, you do your little... this is so cool, actually.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah. You do jewelry, you do your own little, you know...
sign making.
Yeah, sign making. Everybody works with Hot Wheels now. You're working with Hot Wheels model making, RC cars. You know, you can just have this hanging, and then this will be up here. And then, oh, I got to take that burr off. No problem. Oh, I want to carve some wood. No problem, you know? These things are great. What's the price on something like this, Eric?
Oh, that's a good question. I think, was it 70?
$69.
$69.
$69.
It was close,
$69.
Man, I'm not good with the prices right.
$26.95 or something. But, you know, that's good. You know what? In fact, I'm taking this. You don't want this, do you?
No, it's fine. Take it.
I'm going to build a shop with this now. This has inspired me to build a shop. In my basement, I'm going to build a nice little work area. And it'll just end up with just tons of crap on it, so I'll never go down there and I won't be able to access it. And I actually bought this, you guys. The other stuff was sent to us by HART, but I actually went out and bought this. I saw it at Walmart. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm checking this thing out. Yeah. I think it's cool, right?
Definitely.
And you know what? I would buy it again. Gosh, that is cool. Here, move that a second. Look at it. It's just a text. Can you guys see that? Oh, it's not even on. Oh, it did it on the ground. Oh, only when it's flat. If you guys can see that, ready? There's a hole here, and it's detecting both sides.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
This thing is kind of cool, man. It's like a little radar gun. All right, you guys, comment below. Let us know what you guys think. Again, sorry we didn't have any hate for you, you know?
No, I mean, if there's one thing I really like about HART is that it's a new line, but they're coming out with so many different tools and so many different things, so you know there's a huge amount of support from it. You know it's not just going to be here and gone. That's huge to me. If I did have one negative thing, like Dan was saying earlier, is the fuel gauge on the batteries. But other than that,
yeah,
I can't really, you know.
And it is entry level, so a lot of the power tools are entry level. You're not going to get that metal
as long as you know that,
you're not going to get that.
That's understandable.
You know, yeah, and 3-year warranty. So still pretty good warranty.
That's a really good warranty.
Yeah,
for.
But I think that's lifetime. Yeah, it says it right on the front of the box.
Oh yeah, lifetime.
Yeah, right here though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh no, it says
impact. No, I thought it was.
I thought it said it there too. You didn't say
No,
lifetime. You just
no,
made
I'm
that
just
up?
guessing with you 'cause
Did
I
you
was like-
really just make that up?
No, you said it was lifetime. I'm like, but usually bits are not lifetime though. They don't have a warranty because they're a wear and tear. They're consumable
Oh yeah,
items.
that's true. Well, let's go beat them up and see how long they last. I was just making sure it was record was that. All right, you guys, peace out.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.